Hey, and we're back. So I glued on the wings. Yeah, pretty good. It didn't. Yeah, little gap here, and the same on the other side. It would have been great if I could stick these parts together and print them as one unit, but that's like total distance from there to there is 260 something, I think. So it wouldn't work on my printer. So perhaps the next project will be to raise the capabilities of my 3D printer and make it a bit higher. We'll see. Here is one of these little TPU hinges. They were a bit hard to get off the bed. They're tiny, and they will get glued in here. I think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the same on the other side. So, and then can I show you here? Yep, there you go. You see it? This little hole here. See, there we go. There's a little hole there, and that's where they go in. So you need to glue it in one side, and then I would let it dry before I glue in the other side. And I'm going to put maybe a piece of cardboard or something here, just to give it like a 1 or 2 millimeter gap. So I'll try not to lose that piece. Now we can go to the servos. So here's what I did. I have my little tester here, plugged in these very small servo, and I just hit this to make sure it works, center, and there, and then I put it back to the center because I want them all centered. When I'm installing them, it'll make life a bit easier. So that's a handy feature of this little checker. Okay, so my next stage will be, I don't know if you can see that there. So I already put in some extension cables, which route from here up to the front. You could be clever and put wires through before you actually glue everything together. I didn't, so it was a little bit of a challenge. Not sure which way this will go, but I'm going to guess. Yep. Okay, there's one, and these ones have already been centered. So is it going to go this way as well? Let's see. Okay, there we go. So I can pull these through, push some of the cable down there, and then I'll put the top on, and after that then I will put the servos in. So the servo actually gets glued to the cover, or with tape onto the cover piece that can screw on. Okay, I will do that, and I jump back and show you the next piece. So this is it. This is the underside, and this is how they go. So it took a little bit of time for me to figure out what was what. Basically, you have on this side little curved edges, and they're going in this corner because that's curved. 2 flat corners here, and on this one here we have also a curved side. Both are kind of pointing here to the left, and oops, okay. So a bit of double-sided tape, and the servo will go on here. Okay, so I'll show you that when it's together. So here's one servo prepared. You'll want to clip off these ends here and here. The screw ends need to be clipped off, and then when you're sticking it on, remove the sticker that's on here. Can you see that? You want to remove this sticker so that it will adhere to the double-sided sticky tape on the other piece. If you leave the sticker on here, then just this sticker will stick to the tape, and it may come off very easily, so I would recommend removing that. And there you can see the inside of the servo. That's those in, so covers are on, and the 2 servos are in, and the cable's coming out here in the center, and there you go, there's one, there's the second one. I made one a bit shorter. So let's put it back together.